Hello everyone, I am Professor Praveen Sarvale and today's our topic is a French bean. Already in last some video we discussed regarding the pulses crop. Out of that French bean is one of them. Now see the package of practices of French bean. In that the botanical name of French bean is Phaceolus vulgaris. Family, obviously it is from Leguminosae family, origin South America. Economic uses, the economic uses of French bean is nearly about same of pea, then cowpea, lentil and other pulses. In that it is an important crop throughout the India. It contains nearly about 22% protein. It is also rich in carbohydrates, vitamins and minerals. It is a popular in kitchen gardening, so that it is in Marathi it is known as a paras bean also. It is a highly palatable. It is a great demand in cities. It helps in improving the soil fertility because on the roots of French bean the legumoglobins, that mean root nodules, are present and which helps to fix the atmospheric nitrogen so that it improves the soil fertility. It provides the varieties of vegetable dishes so that it have great demand in human dietaries. Okay, these are all about economic uses of French bean. Then a preparatory tillage operations. In that it require cloded and rough seed bed because the seeds of French bean is a bold so that it can easily germinate and emerge out from cloded and rough seed bed. It require one deploying and 2 to 3 crisscross wise harrowing which help to make a proper seed bed. After before last harrowing you can add the well rotted organic manure. It should be well decomposed and weed seed free. Then the ecology, and that means the soil and climate of French bean. In that soil, it can grow in a variety of soil from light to heavy black soil, medium to heavy soil, with a proper drainage is a well suited. The French bean is a fertility restore crop. The optimum pH range is above 5.5. That means below 5.5 pH is not suitable for a French bean crop. In climate, it is grown in cool and dry climate. It can grow well under the cloudy. It cannot grow well under the cloudy and frost condition. Increase the pest and disease incidence due to this cloudy and frost condition. Optimum temperature range for its growth 12 to 18 degrees Celsius, and the average annual rainfall 750 up to the 1000 mm is sufficient for a French bean crop. Then seeds and sowing. It is grown in Rabi and summer also. In Rabi, September, October, and for summer it grown in month of January, February. Sowing method, drilling and dibbling is a proper sowing method for a French bean. Sowing depth 8 to 10 centimeter deep. Seed rate, it is actually vary according to the varieties, 40 to 80 kg per hectare. Seed treatment, rhizobium culture treatment 250 gram per 10 kg seed to increase the nitrogen fixation. Thyram or carbendazim at the rate 2 to 3 gram per kg of seed. Okay, this is all about the seed and sowing of a French bean. Then the different varieties, some improved hybrids and some local varieties of French bean. In that contender, Fulesuyas. Fulesuyas is invented by the MPKV Rahuri. Then Pusa Parvati, Jhampa, Pencil Pod, Arka Komal, Pantanupama. These are the some improved varieties of a different research station and universities. Then the manures and fertilizers. FIM 20 to 25 ton per hectare. Then chemical fertilizer dose 50, 110, 110 NPK kg per hectare. and this whole fertilizer dose you can distribute into the different split doses. Then irrigation requirement, it is the most irrigation responsive pulse crop. In case of long dry spell, it needs the additional irrigation at critical growth stages. It needs nearly about 3 to 4 irrigations. And the critical growth stages of pea, then French bean and other pulse crops are flowering and pod formation stage. Plant protection, pod borer cutworms, then wilt, powder mildews. These are the diseases, and you can control it through the different cultural, physical, then mechanical, also with the help of fungicide, insecticide. You can control all pests and diseases. Harvesting, actually French bean is harvested for two purposes. First one is for vegetable purpose, second one is for a grain and dry grain purpose. For vegetable purpose, hand picking should be done about 3 to 4 times, and for a grain purpose, plant it is harvested when pod and plants died. Crop mature 19 to 110 days after sowing. Then the yield of French bean. For dry seeds, the yield is 12 to 18 quintal per hectare, and for green pods, that means for vegetable purpose, the yield is 60 to 120 quintal per hectare. Obviously, the yield of green pod is high as compared to the dry seed. Okay, this is all about the yield of French bean. Okay, this is a harvesting and yield of French bean. The package of practices of other pulse crop, that means cowpea, pea, compared to the French bean is nearly about the same. Okay, this is all about the French bean. If you have any problem regarding the cultivation of French bean crop, then contact me. Okay, thank you so much, student, for watching this video.